Okay, so the final part then of modelling the hard stand areas is just to do the bit for the lane, for the hard surface area of the hard stand. So we have modelled the right and left earthworks for the hard stands. We just want to add in this bit for the lane here. So to do that, I'm just going to select my corridor, and I want to add on a region, a new region here for my centerline baseline. So go into my corridor properties, parameters tab, and you see I've got, this is my centerline main baseline, then I've got 1, 2, 3 regions on it, and my last region ends here. So I'm going to right click on this, insert region after, select my hard stand lane assembly, click OK, and I want to highlight that then and scroll across and go to targets. And what I want this to do is I want it to widen out to the right and left hard stand edge alignment, so I can add those in as width targets. So I'll do the right edge first, T42 hard stand right, click add, click OK, then do the left, add, OK, OK, and OK. And that should build the lane part of my hard stands. And just give it a minute to think. Okay, and it does, so you can see it automatically doing it there. Now the only other thing that you might come across here is something like this. So see this, where my hard stand earthworks kind of gives this bow tie effect. Okay, so that's just the corridor sampling points or sampling lines overlapping each other, and you don't want that to happen. That's going to make your surface look crazy and it's going to throw your volumes off. So the easy way to edit that, and this works if you've applied curves on these hard stand edge alignments. If you've just drawn straights and vertices, you can't do this as easy. But if you've got curves applied here, what you can do is you can edit the curves just by dragging them in plan, and drag this until these don't overlap anymore. You don't get this bow tie effect. So to show you how to do that, just click on the circular grip here on the curve, my alignment curve, just drag it to there, say, and just let the corridor rebuild. And get a nice correctly graded corner. So I just do that in this one as well, and you can see, just drag it out to here maybe. Okay, those curves are probably a little bit too big, but you see, you get the point. Okay, and that's it. That's the corridor for the hard stand modelled.